This is a learning exercise for the R project programming language, and I'm going to read verbatim from the website. Number 1, Introduction to Preliminaries. 1.1, the R environment. R is an integrated suite with software facilities for data manipulation, calculation, and graphical display. Among other things, it has an effective data handling and storage facility, a suite of operators for calculation on arrays, in particular matrices, a large coherent integrated collection of intermediate tools for data analysis, graphical facilities for data analysis and display either directly at the computer or on hard copy, and a well-developed, simple, and effective programming language called S, which includes conditional loops, user-defined recursive functions, and inputs and output facilities. Indeed, most of the system-supplied functions are themselves written in S language. The term environment is intended to characterize it as a fully planned and coherent system rather than an incremental aggregation of very specific and inflexible tools, as is frequently the case with other data analysis software. R is very much a vehicle for newly developing methods of interactive data analysis. It has developed rapidly and has been extended by a large collection of packages. However, most of the programs written in R are essentially ephemeral, written for a single piece of data analysis. Next, R and statistics. Previous R, environment, up, introduction, preliminaries, context, and index. 1.2, related software and documentation. R can be regarded as an implementation of the S language which was developed by Bell Laboratories by Rick Becker, John Chambers, Alan Wilkes, and also forms the basis of the S+ systems. The evolution of the S language is characterized by 4 books by John Chambers and co-authors. For R, the basic reference is the New S Language, a programming environment for data analysis and graphics by Richard A. Becker, John M. Chambers, and Alan R. Wilkes. The new feature of the 1991 release of the S are covered by statistical models in the S edited by John M. Chambers and Trevor J. Hasty. The formal methods and classes of the methods package are based on those described in the programming with data by John M. Chambers. See the references for precise references. There are now a number of books which describe how to use R for data analysis and statistics. The documentation for S can typically be used with R, keeping the differences between the S implementations in mind. See what the documentations exist for R in the R Statistical System FAQ.